All right, folks, we do have our severe thunderstorm or our severe
A
warnings.
new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Fulton and Williams County, Ohio, we have a tornado warning right now. Appreciate you all joining. This is the first tornado warning of the day. Or of the evening, and we'll have to see how this plays out. But as we can take a look at the live radar here, let's take a look at the rotation, if there's even rotation in there. This could end up being one of those things where this is the wind that is causing this big deal here. There is a little bit of rotation just over by West Unity there. So definitely take shelter, take cover. This is a dangerous storm if you are in the path of it. So that would be Fayette and West Unity in northwestern Ohio. Again, that is a tornado warning that is radar indicated at 7:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Holiday City or near Montpelier. Moving east at 15. Slow mover, but don't let that fool you, folks. We want to make sure that you guys are safe. And there is additional storms that are down here to the south. Let's go ahead and bring up that radar. Look at this. This is severe thunderstorm warnings. They're scrolling across the screen there. All of these pushing through there. Let's verify that we have all the latest information pushing through through those live ticker here. 1 second. There we go. We got it refreshed. I apologize. It took a moment for that to refresh. But today's reports, we got 32 reports of thunderstorm wind damage, 4 hail reports, and thunderstorm wind gusts, 15 for a total reports already today of over 51 reports. There's definitely a lot of storms making its way into the Ohio area. There's that severe thunderstorm watch now that is including just to the north of Columbus, Ohio. And let's go ahead and take a look. Hello, everybody in the chat. Make sure that if you have not had a chance, you go ahead and do a subscribe on here. This is definitely going to help us with getting the coverage out and getting the information as quickly as possible. Go ahead and share it as well. That would be helpful. This would be doing your community service part to let others know of the severe weather. So we're going to continue to track this storm here. This is a tornado warning up by northwestern Ohio. Got it right there near West Unity and Fayette. We do also have severe thunderstorm warnings over in Nebraska and Indian County, Ohio. Here's the Indian County, Ohio. This does include Van Wert, Allen, Putnam, Adams. That's got 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch hail. Those are radar indicated. They are pushing through quite a bit here. That's that wind threat that we were talking about earlier in some of our other chat platforms. But right now, the main focus is the tornado warning in Williams and Fulton counties of Ohio. We'll take a look here at the information to see what we're expecting to have happen based on the Storm Prediction Center. It is likely going to push this further to the east. So this is for basically tonight into tomorrow. That slight risk has expanded over to. We got how many of these darn things do we have? Goodness gracious. We got Wyoming, Nebraska with a we're buffering. That's not good. All right, folks. We're going to stop the stream. 1 second. All right. Let's see here what we got going on. 1 second, folks. I appreciate you guys in the chat. All right, we're going to stop the stream